Hi, this is Shanda Norton with United Country Stillhead Realty. Welcome to this charming house in Orofino, Idaho. We just got it on the market. It is a corner lot. It is a big lot. Beautiful, beautiful trees in this yard. I'll show you when we go back. There's a really large sequoia tree on the side. And you are right in the center of Orofino. So you're within a couple minutes of the Clearwater River and within 20 minutes of getting your boat in Dorshack Reservoir. So come on in and I'll show you around. So this is the living area. Nice open floor plan. It does have a brand new mini split for the house. Offer you some extra heat for the winter, and you will have air conditioning for the summer months. So that's really nice. There's also a pellet stove downstairs for heat and almost 5 tons of pellets that they're leaving. So that's helpful. It does have a register that comes up through the floor. And if you'll notice, these are the original hardwood floors in the home. Really, really pretty. Built in, this could be your dining room or maybe more living space depending on what your family needs. And if you come right through here, we're gonna go into the kitchen. So refrigerator, microwave, stove, dishwasher, everything is included in the sale. Nice wood cabinetry with lots of storage and a very usable kitchen. And if you come with me this way, we'll go into the master bedroom. They have taken out a wall here to make this one big room. I guess if you needed to, you could put the division back up, but right now it is one big area. Closet on each end, which makes it pretty nice. Your main bathroom is right up in between the 2 bedrooms that are upstairs here. Shower tub combo. And then the second bedroom's just on down the hallway. Nice sized room with big windows. And this is actually right off of the living room. So lots of room to walk around. If your kids are like my kids, they're gonna run circles around this because they go through the bedrooms and around the living room and back. And my kids do that all the time. So your kids will appreciate the way this is built. I guess if you come back this way, we'll go into the kitchen. And so off the kitchen is where we'll go downstairs and I'll show you the basement. The basement area does have a toilet already in place and a sink. Your washer is hooked up down here. There is no dryer vent yet for a dryer. If you want to put one in, you can. The pellet stove is down here, so the heat goes up. And this is a finished room down here. I can't technically call it a bedroom because it doesn't have the proper egress or a closet at this time, but that is something that somebody that buys this could take care of and make this actually more living space down here. A new hot water heater. They just put that in. And like I said, almost 5 tons of pellets, so you won't have to be buying those anytime soon. And if you want to follow me, we'll go outside. So right off of your kitchen is this little patio. It's covered and it overlooks the little fruit trees. We have apples and pears right here. Nice little sitting area. Some rhubarb along the fence. They did just put up this wire fence around this backyard to keep the deer from coming in and eating all your vegetables. If you like it, leave it. If you hate it, very easy to take down. So if you'll follow me over here, I'll show you the greenhouse. And then the cherry on top of this property is it does have a studio apartment. And you do have alley access. So that might be a little extra income for you. Really pretty clematis. Another view of your fruit trees. I already got the fruit on. And then I'll let you go ahead and take a look at the greenhouse area. It's already got some vegetables growing. And then right behind here is where the studio apartment is. Okay, this is the studio apartment. Set up one room, little kitchenette on one side. This is a wet bathroom, so you don't have to have a shower curtain in here. It just goes down the drain, but there is a rail up there if you wish to put one in for a little privacy, depending on who's staying here. And there's a loft area for extra storage or perhaps extra bunk room for some children or a small person. And a really nice view out the window in here. So like I said, this is something that you could have for extra income. It does have heat and it's all ready for you. This home does offer a 2-car garage. It does have a cement floor. They're in the process of cleaning everything out. So it's pretty messy right now, so we're not gonna go inside, but there is a lot of room in there, and it has 2 big doors on the side. So I think you can get 2 cars in there pretty easily. So that's what I have to show you today on this new listing. If you are interested in living in Orofino, Idaho, please reach out to me. You can contact us through YouTube or my cell phone numbers that will appear below. If you found value in this, please like and subscribe to our channel. We work hard at trying to provide these videos for you and give you information so you know what you're looking at before you even get here. So it was nice walking around with you today, and I hope to see you soon.